All that glitter.
Impressive.
What the fuck is? I'm not even pressing anything. You know, just, okay. Seems legit. Ah, that was fucking funny. Okay. Damn, I got a lot of stuff from that. Alright, okay, all night, let's do it. Him again?
I don't care for strangers.
I don't have the time for you, old fart.
Yeah, just, oh, you set me up. It's all good. I'm gonna just look around for a minute, then I'm gonna cheat you. I grab that, or I could just lure him out here. You motherfucker, you! Come on, big boy. Chase me right over here. Better not be able to throw that through walls. Okay. He's for real just gonna sit there. Okay. Fucking ass over there. Alright. That was quick.
Be my bride. Oh.
Nah, I'm good.
Oh no, where's Rosalind? Rosalind!
Let's check out the shop real quick.
Time
What was
to
that
shop.
one thing I wanted to buy? The octopus roll? Nah, homing sneakers. Fuck it.
Found something.
Whatever. At least just one. At least one.
Go.
Let's go.
Hurry, Juliet, get in! Rosalind! I was worried about you. Are you okay? Yeah, I guess. This stupid bus broke down, but I fixed it.
Hey, Rosalind. Nice meeting you up close.
Yeah, she's high.
How did you fix the bus, Rosalind? Just last week, you had to take your car to the shop because you didn't know cars needed oil. How could you know how to...
Uh-oh.
Rosalind, where are we going?
Rosalind? Hey.
The fuck?
What the heck?
We're headed towards. You're great.
Where the hell are you?
Oh, sister Juliet and brother Nick. Let's travel to the land beyond the doors of perception. Step outside the boundaries of your mind. Lose yourself in the eternal, collective unconscious. And rot.
Listen, lady. Why don't you try using some deodorant? Because honestly, you smell like shit.
This one was just as insolent.
Rosalind!
Now, open your heart and let my music guide you
Yeah.
into the world of everlasting peace
Fucking hippies.
and rot and hell.
You got more? Mariska, psychedelic. Fuck it, couldn't read it. God. Just finding her name, like, took too long.
Rush of chaos and dark.
into the dust of your fucking bubbles. Take it, bitch! This boy is screaming at me, "Be careful, Juliet! Watch out! Be careful!" Even though I'm dodging all these fucking bubbles. There we go. You gave me up! You gave me up! I'm gonna make it to you. Hold on, I'm not gonna make it, am I? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just in time, baby! To give it to you. Ah, I fucking hate you. Take it.
One truth becomes.
Awesome.
Two truths become.
Okay. Now I got 4 asses to beat. And then that annoying fucking thing. That's what pisses me off. That tractor. Keep your eye open for it. There we go. Yeah, this is a lot easier with the. Oh my god! I have no bullets! No! Okay. This is a lot easier with that auto aim bullshit turned off. Big time. Okay. Let's just collect some ammo right now. This is she's a hippie. They don't bathe. From what I've heard. Okay. What's his name, bathe? Charles Manson? I don't think so. Tearing up into the crowd, baby. Sound like she's having sex every time she gets hit. Okay, we're running low on ammo here. The bubbles got me. No, the bubbles, not the bubbles. All right. I just hate how like when she falls, you got like a limit, and then you gotta run all the way over there. Come here, bitch. Fucking give it to you again.
One truth becomes.
Okay, we get it. We got it. We got it. We get. Oh, she had like a baby leg. Ow.
Two truths become.
I think we got it the first time you said it. And then we got 6.
The truth before your eyes.
Or whatever the fuck. Is that 8? I don't know. I can't see. I'm just. What the fuck? I wouldn't be surprised if this all happened within her mind. No. Gave me up. Just shooting to the crowd. Shooting to the crowd. I see why I don't. This eliminate. No. What the fuck is happening? Ow. Okay, get up. Use that lollipop and backflip. Oh, that fucking thing again. You son of a bitch. Can I fucking shoot that thing? No. Just run from it, I guess. Oh, that'll give me time to collect bullets. Da 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 da. So this boss fight is really fairly simple. You, like all the boss fights, you just hit the enemy and not get hit back. I'm totally trolling you, but really all you do is just stay away from the hand, collect ammo, and just tear into all 9 of her, whatever. How many fucking of them are there? Really simple. It's kind of lame though, you know, like there's no like epic fights, no like oh awesome attacks. It's just fucking butterflies and then this floating bitch. Draining my health? That is draining my health. Fucking butterflies? Yeah, see, and then she's like always so far away, and now you can see why this boss fight's so lame. Like it's not hard, it's not annoying, it's just lame. Dirty hippie. In my opinion, probably the funnest boss fights is Zed, and then that I can't remember. It's like the 5th guy, the one that rides the motorcycle. His boss fight is badass.
Choke on your Birkenstocks, you psilocybin munching moron!
Birkenstocks?
He's out. Way out.
Shut up.
ASD to reggae from the party Uncle
Okay.
Whoa. We've been here the whole time.
That's what happens when you're high.
Rosalind? She's not here.
So you mean to tell me that the whole level was just... Look at this motherfucker.
Are you ready to boogie woogie?
Who is this?
I hate that guy.
The one you ain't gonna level up on.
Why are you pretending to be Stephen Hawking?
I got the freaky little super freak right here.
Get your hands off of me, you zombie pedo! Juliet, don't worry about me,
Oh.
Want your sister back, baby? You need to win a game with me. Make your way to the Fulci Fun Center. I can't wait to party with your crew like it's 1983.
Damn, you
It's a
pissed her
trap,
off.
Juliet. We can't just rush in there alone.
We don't have any other choice, Nick. Who's gonna help us?
Jesus. Pops!
Hey, baby.
Daddy!
Yep. Gideon Starling. Fuck your head. Thank you for blocking it. Enjoyable. His daddy be keeping... I mean, his daddy. Her daddy be keeping it real, though. Like, on the real. He keeps it raw. Platinum medals. B+. plus.
I'm loving it.
Give me that damn A.
Awesome!
Alright. So, you got MP3s. As a reward for clearing stage 3, you can now choose stage 3 in ranking mode. And now she's dead. So, this guy, every time like I hear this guy, I'm like Zemos or T-Pain, but more Zemos. The Fulgi, is that a G or a C? Fulgi Fun Center. In my opinion, it's the worst fucking level in the game. I know the next level has a really bad part that, well, I mean bad part because you have to save a guy and it's like a pain in the ass to do it. I do remember that level being having that one part that was a pain in the ass, but this whole fucking level is just shitty. I hate this level, and I hate the boss. So we're gonna jump into that next time because we're gonna be doing a chapter recording. So it's been over a little over an hour. Well, thank you for joining me. I'll get back to this. We still have this level. We have whatever that is down there, and then we have Killa. What is his name? Killa Billy, the final boss level. And then we're done. It's not that long of a game. It's a fun game. It's shorty, but a goodie one. But yeah. Thank you guys for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next part.
Bye. 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 Bye.